I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn data and bar graphs together, step by step. A bar graph shows data using bars of different heights. The taller a bar is, the bigger its amount. To read it, follow the top of a bar across to the scale on the side and read the number. Every bar graph has labels. The bottom tells you the categories, like favorite fruits. The side shows the numbers, often counting by 2s or 5s. Always check the scale so you read each bar correctly. Bar graphs make it easy to compare. The tallest bar shows the most, and the shortest bar shows the least. You can also find the difference by subtracting one bar's number from another. Let's compare two bars. The dog bar reaches 8, and the cat bar reaches 5. To find how many more chose dogs, subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 more friends chose dogs than cats. So here is the whole idea. In a bar graph, taller bars mean bigger amounts. Always read the scale on the side to get the right number. To compare two bars, just subtract. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.